Alright, let's continue. That relative distance now, let's say I pick two numbers, 1 and 2. Let us relate it towards the origin. Let's relate it to the origin. And there's a distance between this guy and this guy here. And there's a distance between this guy and this guy, and there's also a distance between this guy and this guy. Now, let us will now tell you that the distance between the origin and this guy can either be greater than the distance, or can either be less than the distance between this guy and this guy, or greater than the distance between this guy and this guy, or equal to the distance between this guy and this guy. Let's say this here is A and here is what? B. Now let us draw another people again. Here is A again, and here is B. You see that? Now let's draw the final one. The final one says here A, B. Now in this very one now, like me and my brother now, I'm standing here, my brother is standing here, and the origin point is here. The distance between the origin point and me might be less than the distance between the origin point and my brother, or can also be equal to the distance between origin point me and my brother, or equal to, or distance between me and the origin point might even be less than the distance between my brother and the origin point. So that is what this is what saying. So given any two numbers, this must what? One of them must happen. Now if a number is, let's say for example that 1 is greater than 0, since 1 is greater than 0, if you still get that 1 is also less than 0, it is not possible, because 1 that is greater than 0 cannot be less than 0 at the same time. So now, having done all this, this is what is brought together to name it the tricotomy rule. And what does the tricotomy rule say? It says that I'm given any two numbers or given any numbers from the real line, one of these must hold. If that number is not less than the other number, it will be greater than the next number, or if it's not less than, it's not greater than, meaning it is going to equal that number. It's going to equal that same what? Number. So that is that. Now let's look at another thing here. Now let's say given A, B, C and C, we now say if A is less than B, if A is less than B, this implies that A plus C is less than B plus C. Now let us use numerical values to prove this. Now say let A equal to 4, B equal to 5, C equal to 6. And we know that 4 is less than what? 5. So now, we now say 4 plus 6. Is it going to be less than 5 plus 6? Now this will now imply that 10 is less than what? 11. Do you see that? So for any given two values, A plus B, now this is going to be, okay, let's say A is less than B. A less than B implies that A plus C is less than what? B plus C. So if you carry out if you solve this one now, if you solve this inequality, you are going to do what? Subtract C from both sides. When you subtract C from both sides, you say A plus C minus C is less than what? B plus C minus C. Now this will give you back A is less than what? B. So you see that. So whenever we are given any value, this holds. Whenever we are given any two value, this holds. And I believe and I think that here is where I'm going to stop in this video. And remember to subscribe. Please do like, subscribe, and share the videos. Thank you so very much.